Well, it's Wednesday and I'm back at the visitor centre at Teide. Got the bus up from Cruz this morning. They do take bikes. You get a lot of different things online about what you can and can't do. I thought I was on a winner obviously with the Brompton, just popped it in the bag and no problem anywhere. But 7 mountain bikers rolled up, just took the front wheels off and threw them in the luggage compartment, no problem whatsoever. So if you wanted to bring a bike up Teide, that's no problem. I've got off the bus. It does go all the way to the mountain, the base of the mountain, the cable car. I've got off just before this visitor centre. There's a cafe, restaurant that I stopped at last time. So basically I'm just completing the ride over. So it's a beautiful day again. Really didn't fancy riding the whole way back up, I've got to be honest. But yeah, I'm going to go over the top today. There it is. Over the top today and drop back down the other side, find somewhere to camp on the way back down the other side. Okay, so it's been much easier going today. Up the top here, the climbing's not over when you get to that restaurant and the information centre. I've climbed another 274 metres to get to this viewpoint. So much easier today. I think the altitude and the long day's climb the other day had got to me. Spinning up here quite easily today. One thing I will say, I've had the first close passes I've had the whole journey on this bit of road. A lot of tourists I think coming up from Puerto de la Cruz. Probably most of them are Brits. Give you no respect whatsoever. Not used to, but just to say, yeah, the miles I've covered and such without a single close pass, and then I've had 4 or 5 the last 4 miles to get up to here, which is quite sad really. Yeah, it's fantastic up here. You can see the wall of the crater there. Follow that ridge line around. It's taking you right back round to the observatory over there, if you can see that. Beautiful up here, well worth it. Recommend it to anyone. Right, so really have made it to the bottom now. There's Teide. See the cable car going up there. The cable car station over there. And then if you pan round there, those jagged rocks at the bottom of the rim of the crater over there, that I believe is where they planted the apes. So we've cracked it. Mount Teide. That's the Hotel Parador, right in the crater of Teide, where a lot of the professional cycling teams stay when they're up here altitude training. You can see it's busy. I would have liked to have stopped and done a few more mile markers on the way down from there, but it's so busy up here, you just can't stop at the side of the road. Very, very busy. I'm just looking at the wall of that crater and wondering where the road goes to get me out of here. Looking forward to some late lunch in Vilaflor. I'm gonna say it again, so frustrating on this piece of road, the close passes. It's what I'm used to at home, but not experienced it here at all until today, and it's obviously just tourists from both sides of the island in hire cars that will not wait, will not give you any respect whatsoever on the road. It's terrible, reminds me too much of home, and it's such a shame because it's so beautiful up here, so beautiful. Take a look at that. Well, that's enough about close passes. As you can see, I'm obviously still in the crater, so I've got to get out of it. I've climbed 375 metres, and I wouldn't be surprised if I've got the same to do again to get out the other side. So just to be aware, if you're coming up here and you are on your last legs like I was on Monday, was it, or Sunday, when I first came up here, don't think once you're at the visitor centre at either side that it's going to be easy going after that, because it's not. You've still got some climbing to do to get through this, so just to be aware. I mean, it's easy going today. You know, certainly not pushing the bike at all, as I had to the other day, but yeah, I'm still looking forward to some lunch in Vilaflor. On the way up out of the crater, and good view down to the coast. One of the road bikers that keeps sweeping past me. Yeah, good view down to the coast there, and I can just make out La Gomera that way. So another climb up over the crater here, crater rim, and then drop down into Vilaflor. I'm still looking forward to that lunch. I could be wrong, but I think I'm at the top. It seems to start going down from this point. If I am right, I've done 561 metres climbing to this point. So just so, if you're coming this way, you know where that's at. I feel so much better up here today, and the other day, I gotta say it again, I feel great. The views are spectacular. Just over my shoulder there you can see La Gomera and another island behind that. I'm not sure what that is, a bigger one. And it's just beautiful up here today. There's not a cloud around. I kind of wish there was a cloud in some ways, because it would have been great to look down on them. But I'm certainly not complaining. It's fantastic up here. And I'm still looking forward to some lunch in Vilaflor. descending down this side back into the canary and pine trees, but you can see it's very different. It's much drier. There's no greenery, just the trees. Okay, that's different. He obviously doesn't like close passers either. Found Vilaflor at last. And just need to find somewhere to eat. Coming out of Vilaflor, that's Vilaflor there. Lunch was great, by the way. There's all this terracing, agricultural terracing. Whether it's still used or not, don't know. There's doesn't appear to be anything growing now. But yeah, didn't see anything like this on any other part of the island. The south is definitely different. Another mile sign or kilometre sign with a view.